Hello, little cute champs. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. So, students, I'm your mathematics educator again here with a new chapter and a new concept. I hope you have completed your revision worksheet in your previous chapter you have. Now, we are going to start a new chapter, which is chapter number 2, even numbers and odd numbers. So, are you excited? Yes, well done. Okay, so first of all, even and odd numbers. Collect some beans or some ice cream sticks, count them and group them together in a pair. So, what we have to do first, we have to count how many beans we have. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Here, none of the bean is left means all the beans can be grouped together in a pair. It means we have total 4 beans. If we want to make them in a pair, so we have 2 pairs of the beans and none of the left is here. So we can say that the object or number which can be grouped together in pair of 2 is an even number. What we call even number whenever we have some objects and we can group and none of the left out. So it means it is called even number. And the object or number which cannot be grouped together in a pair of 2 is an odd number. So now how many beans we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We can make the group of these two, but this fifth one is left out. So whenever we have those numbers which cannot be make a proper group, then it is referred as your odd number. Example, if we have 9 beans, we group them together in a pair of 2, then one bee is left as shown. Therefore, 9 is an odd number. All even number end with 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. If you have the last digit 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, it means you can understand it. This is a even number. Now all odd numbers are end with 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. If the last digit is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, it means those are the odd numbers. So these are odd numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. These are even numbers 2, 4, 6, 8. In two-digit number, if digit at one place is 24680, then it is an even number. Example, the last digit we have 2, 2, 6, 8, 4, which belongs to this category. These are the even numbers. If digit at one place is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, then it is an odd number. Example, 31, 93, 99, 75, 89, etc. and etc. Write all odd numbers between 21 and 50. So what we have to do, we have to write all odd numbers between 21 to 50. So 21 is an odd number. 22, it's not an odd number just because we have the last digit 2, and if we have last digit 2, so what we called it a even number. So we skip 22 and we write 23. Now 24 is again a even number, so 20 5. Next we have 27, 29. You can say you have to skip one counting so you can have your odd numbers. What comes after 31? 32. So we do not take it. We take 33, 35, 37, 39, 41, 43, 45, 47 and 49. So these are the odd numbers we have between 21 to 50. Write all even numbers between 81 and 100. So what comes after 82? 83. If we write 83, then it belongs to odd category. So we don't select it. We skip it and we write the next number, which is 84. Skip next number and write the 86. After 86, 88. Then 90, 92, 94, 96, 98. So these are the even numbers you have between 81 to 100. Write the next even number. So what comes after 12? We have after 12, 14. After 14, we have 16. After 22, we have 24. You just have to skip one counting. Okay, so after 22, we have 23, but we don't select 23 and we write 24, then 26. After 72, we have 74, 76. After 44, we have 46, 48. In such a way, you can do rest of the two also. Now write the next odd number. Same case we have. You have to skip the after number which comes 41 and choose the next number. So 41 after we have 42. So what we select? We write here 43 and 45. 59 and 61 and 63. So in same way, you can do the rest of the questions you have. Write the missing numbers in a grid. So counting in twos up to 20. So we have to write the missing number in the grid. Counting in threes up to 30. So here we have 2, 4, 6, 8. So if you know twos table, so you know what we have to write here. We have to write 10, then 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. So now what you have to do after completing this twos table, you have to complete threes table. So 3, 6, 9, 12. After 12 we have 15. After 15, 18, then 21, then 24 and 27 we have. So in a similar way, you have to fill your rest of the boxes you have. Now you have to know your skill till now how much you learn. So write the digit at one's place in the circle and write even and odd in the blank lines. So this is 4. Last digit we have the ones place and 4 is a even number. So in such a way you have to solve rest of the two questions. Now counting in groups. So counting in twos groups. So 2, 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 2 is 8, 8 plus 2 is 10, 10 plus 2 is 12. So you have to continue counting. Now we have to counting in threes. So 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 3 is 9, 9 plus 3 is 12, 12 plus 3 is 15, 15 plus 3 is 18, 18 plus 3 is 21, 21 plus 3 is 24. So in same way you have to write. Now 5 plus 5 is 10, 10 plus 5 is 15, 15 plus 5 is 20, 20 plus 5 is 25. Now you have to write it till 50. Now counting in tens 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Continue in a similar way. Now know your skill again. So now you have to select, now you have to examine how much you know till now. Now we have ordinal numbers. The numbers first, second, third, etc., which are used to tell the position of an object in a group are called ordinal numbers. Those numbers which help us to identify the position of a particular object, those numbers are called ordinal numbers. So look at the children standing in a line. So we have Aman, Pooja, Sonu, Sia, Ajay, Anuj, Tia, Monu, Richa and Ravi. So first is who is standing first in the line. So first is Aman. So what we write here? Aman. Next, who is standing fourth in the line? So 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth. And who's standing fourth in a line? 1, 2, 3, 4. Sia. Next, we have who's standing 10th in the line. So who's standing 10th in a line? Ravi. So we write here Ravi. Dash is standing third in line. So who's third in line? Sonu. So in same way you have to write rest of the question, okay, in a similar way as I do, okay. Now ordinal numbers 11 to 20. So how can we take ordinal numbers 11 from 11 to 20? For 11th you have to attach th at 11. So 11th, 12th, 13th. First we write 13 and then we add th. So the whole case for this, what you have to do, you just have to add th after your numerals and th after your number name. So next we have 14. So the same spelling we have, but we just add th. Now 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th and 20th. So these are the your ordinal numbers from 11 to 20. Now we have ordinal numbers from 21 to 100. So the same case, 21st, 21st, 25th, 33rd, 54th, 78th. Now what you have to do, this is your first number, just write 20 as it is, okay, your prefix. Now the one what we call ordinal number in 1 to 10 in ordinal numbers 1 first. Now what we call 5 fifth, what we call 3 third. So the first number should be the same as your counting you have. Then you have to just attach the second number ordinal form with it. Now 100. So 100. It is the that's it. Now write the ordinal numbers in words. So fourth. First we write 4. Four. All of you repeat after me. Four, and then you have to add just th. Fourth. Now 12. So what you have to do? First write 12 and then add th. 12. Now we have 9. So what you have to do? First write 9, then add th. So in similar way you can write rest of the question. And this is time for worksheet. So all of you, are you excited? Okay. Now in a two-digit number, if digit at one's place is 24680, then it is an even number. Example 12, 22, 36, 68, 64, etc. Answer the following question. How many odd numbers are there between 1 to 100? So what you have to do, you have to encircle odd numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And after encircle it, the all odd numbers, you have to count them and write your answer here. Now similar for the even numbers, you have to count how many numbers are not encircled, count them and write the numbers in this. Now you have your mathematics lab activity which you have to perform in your maths lab, and with that students, your chapter is ends here. I hope so this chapter is clear to you and you enjoyed this chapter. Now I'll meet you in your next class. Till that, bye bye, have a good day.